Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with a Kerala or South Indian bridal makeup tutorial. I have started Brides of India series here on my channel and this is a third look of my Brides of India series. And for today's look, I have created this beautiful orange and purple and gold hello cut crease eye look. I have hooded eyes, so along the way I'll be sharing with you so many tips and tricks to achieve perfect cut crease on hooded eyes. Not only that, I will share with you so many tips to achieve perfect, flawless, long lasting bridal base in today's video, so do not skip any part. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Neeta. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. First, I am taking my Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and I am drawing the borders of my brows first, then I'll be filling them up using small hair-like strokes. I shared with you my updated eyebrow routine. I will mention the video in the description box down below, so make sure to check it out. With my MILANI concealer in the shade 135, I am just cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. This step is a must for bridal makeup. And I am applying the same concealer on my eyelid and I'm blending it out using a damp sponge. It will act as an eyeshadow base. I am taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 15 light and I am just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. For my eyes, first I am taking this beautiful orange shade from my Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette and I am applying it as my transition color with this Morphe JS13 brush. And I am slowly building it up because this particular shade is very pigmented and I do not want it to mess up. So I'm just slowly building it up. And now I am taking this matte purple shade from the palette and with my Morphe M456 brush, I am first applying it on my outer V area. Then I will apply it on my inner corner and then I will connect those two corners through my crease to create that halo effect. And I have mentioned it multiple times that this particular purple shade tends to become patchy pretty easily, so I am being very cautious here. I am just taking little by little product, very little product, and I'm just slowly building it up to avoid that patchy eyeshadow look. And now I'm just connecting those two corners through my crease. Taking the same concealer on this lip brush from Punastro, I'm just cutting the crease and I have hooded eyes, so I am just placing the color a little bit higher than usual. The key of achieving perfect eye look on hooded eyes is to apply the colors a little bit higher. And if you are a beginner, if you do not want to do a cut crease, it's totally fine. You can apply the lid shade directly. And now I am taking Talia. This is a beautiful gold shade and I am applying it on the middle part of my eyelid using that Morphe M124 brush. This is kind of a topper shade, so you need to build it up and you need to use a base for this shade. My concealer was wet, so I did not use any base. Now I am taking this shimmery purple shade from the palette and I am applying it between the gold shade and that matte purple shade to create a nice gradient effect. You can see it's creating that beautiful shadow. I'm just drawing a wing here using my Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel eyeliner, and for that I am using my Morphe 2500 eyeliner brush. This is my absolute favorite eyeliner. It lasts all day long. It does not smudge or budge. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup, and for that first I'm taking my NYX Marshmellow primer and I'm just priming my entire face and neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. Prepping your skin is really important. And now I am taking my MAC Strobe cream in the shade Cold Light and I am applying it all over on my eyelid to have that beautiful bridal glow. This product is incredible. It acts as a primer and it provides that beautiful glow to the face. You can wear it on its own, or you can mix it with your foundation, or you can apply it underneath your foundation. For color correcting, I am using my L.A.Girl Pro Conceal yellow and orange corrector. I have taken 3 parts of the yellow color corrector and 1 part of the orange color corrector to create my custom shade, and I'm applying it around my mouth, underneath my eyes, and wherever I have pigmentation, dark spots and acne spots. It will help to neutralize all those darkness. For my foundation, I am taking an OG foundation. This is my Max Studio Fix foundation in the shade NC35, and sorry, it is NC40. I am originally NC35, but I am a little bit tanned right now, so I am using the shade NC40, and I am blending it out using a damp sponge. This particular foundation is a perfect foundation for bridal look. It is full coverage, it lasts all day long, it does not smudge or budge, does not cake up, and it looks beautiful on photography. You can see my base is looking absolutely flawless. Do not forget your neck, because if you do not drag your foundation to your neck, then it might look a little bit weird. For bridal makeup, cream contour is must, and for that I am using my L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I am doing one section at a time because this particular concealer tends to settle down pretty quickly and then it becomes really hard to blend. I always suggest you to do a cream contour because it makes sure your contour lasts longer and your contour just looks very much natural. So I always suggest you to do cream contour instead of powder contour. And I'm just contouring my forehead. I switched to a different brush. This is my Merit Beauty brush, and this brush is so soft and it blends out my cream products seamlessly. I'm also contouring my jawline to hide my double chin because I do not want that bulky face on photography. I'm also contouring my nose just to make my nose look a little bit smaller, and I'm blending it out using the damp sponge. Don't worry if it is looking a little bit harsh right now. Once I apply my concealer, it will all come together, I promise. And for highlighting and concealing, I'm using my MILANI concealer again, and I'm applying it underneath my eyes, on my chin, on my cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose, on the center of my forehead, as well as on the sides of my mouth. And I'm blending it out using the same sponge. This particular concealer gives you a full coverage. I am telling you, it's a full coverage concealer, and I have taken a concealer that is like 1 or 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. It will act as a cream highlighter and it will give my face a nice structure, and my face will look good in photography. Now here is a quick little trick. Before setting my cream products with my powder, I'm just blitzing it with my setting spray and I am letting it dry. It will make sure your base looks flawless, smooth, and your base lasts longer. And I'm setting my under eye area, my T-zone, as well as my spine lines using the same Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. To set my entire makeup in place, I am taking my Loreal Infallible powder in the shade Sand. And I'm just cutting the contour a little bit because it was like everywhere. And now I am taking my Color Icon bronzer from Wet n Wild in the shade Hot Shady Beaches, and I'm applying it wherever I applied that cream contour. It will give my face a little bit of structure and a little bit of sun-kissed glow. And for my blush, I am taking my MAC Melba, and initially I like to apply a lot of blush because by the time you get ready, wear your jewelry, sari, the blush will fade. So initially apply a lot of blush. For my highlighter, I am taking my Molten Gold highlighter from Maybelline, and I am applying it on my cheekbones, on my chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose, as well as on the center of my forehead. I'm going to finish the rest of my eye makeup. For that, first I'm tightlining my eyes using my MILANI eyeliner pencil in this shade After Dark. And now I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line using that matte purple shade. Taking that orange shade, I am applying it on the border of the previous shade just to tie the look together. And I am applying that orange shade right here underneath my eyeliner. It will just connect the look together. And I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye as well as my brow bones using the same Maybelline highlighter. and I am here just elongating the eyeliner on the inner corner, and I'm giving it a V shape. It makes your eyes look really wider and bigger. And I'm applying a coat of mascara, and I curled my lashes, of course. For my falsies, I'm using my Gala lashes from Kiss, and these are my favorite lashes. I will mention some alternatives in the description box down below. Now I'm just setting my entire makeup again with my NYX Dewy setting spray. Dewy Finish Setting Spray. For my lips, first I'm lining my lips using my NYX lip liner pencil in the shade Burgundy, and I am overlining my lips just a bit because in photography a little bit of fuller lips just look beautiful, according to me. It's my personal opinion, of course. And for my lips, I'm using this NYX XXL liquid lipstick in the shade X Exposure. Such a beautiful purple toned pink shade. And that is pretty much it. And here is the final look. I got my sari on, my jewelry on, and I am wearing a beautiful purple and orange Kanjivaram sari, and I think this is a perfect look for that sari. Please let me know what do you guys think in the comment section down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with your friends and family. It will just mean a lot to me. Please do so. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description box down below, so make sure to check them out. All the products will be mentioned in the description box down below as well. So yes, see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.